Okay, so boys and girls, this is where I left off with this. It is looking pretty good. There's a couple things that I can do to change it. I'm going to go down here at the bottom where it says configure, and I'm going to click on the little person. Now, I made the ballerina girl and the hot dog guy, and I can show you that another time. But you should have Ugly Sweater Kitty and Cool Kid in the red hat. Now, configure lets me put my character where I want it to start. So I want my character to start in the first square here. Okay, and then I'm going to make it Ugly Sweater Kitty. So I clicked on Ugly Sweater Kitty. Okay, and now that I've done that, there's a couple other things that I can configure. I can configure my power up. So I go to the treasure box. Whoops, sorry. Go back to configure. I've got to move this guy back. Okay, so I go back to configure, and now you can see that the arrows are pushing in areas that need to be configured. So I go to the treasure box, and I'm going to choose a jetpack because I want to be able to go higher. Here you can see I had a bomb, and I had health, and I had a jetpack. The reason that these are available to me because this was a pink square to begin with. Before it was a treasure box, it was a pink square. So now that I've done that, I know that I can have a power up, and then here I can go to the sign, and the sign means I'm going to write something, and I can say here a fact about rocks or the earth. Rocks are made of minerals, and a period is here under the question mark, and then I can say down here where it says this little bar in the right hand corner next to 1, 2, 3, and then I say save. Okay, so now when my guy goes there, it's going to say rocks are made of minerals. The last thing that I have to configure is this guy up at the top. And I have not unlocked a flyer or a turret. He is just a patroller, so that means he's going to go back and forth, and I say save. So now my game is looking pretty good, like I could play it. So I will check it out. This is where I left my board off, and now comes the time to decorate it. So at the bottom next to the green arrow is decorate. Here you can see these are different boards. Some of them were made for you, and some of them I made myself. I will show you how to make the board in another lesson. But when we do this, you can see that there's brown, that is terrain. There's green and brown, that's land. There's a treasure box. There's a little, like a little wood sign. The flag, anytime you use the flag, that is the end of your game. So we don't use the flag very often. You don't want the finish to be just on one board. The gray and black, that could be ground. I built a bomb. I built some flowers. I built a rock. I can show you how some of these are going to go together and how they're going to be built. But let's go to decorate right now. So here we are in decorate, and now I'm going to choose the brown box. And I'm going to make that the bottom of my terrain. Okay, so any place I have 2 layers, I'm going to make that the bottom. And now I'm going to take my green and my brown box, and I'm going to make that the top, just like this. And I made these flowers as a board. Again, I'll show you how to make them. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to make those the top for that top row. So this is starting to come together. Okay. Oh, now this pink box, that is going to be some sort of power. So I'm going to put the treasure box there because I need to get there. That's some kind of power. Now the orange box over here, oh, that is not power. That's an exploding block. So I put my bomb there so that I know that's an exploding block. Now, things that are left need some different kinds of boards. So I'm going to go here on the left-hand side where it says animation and there's a video camera. And I'm going to click on that. And now these are things that are going to be moving. This top one, this is lava that's going to move, and I'm going to put that on the top row of my lava. And this one right here, I'm going to put on the bottom row. See that? See how it kind of looks like tops and bottoms? And now, over here on my waterfall, the same thing. This one with a triangle on the top, that would go on the top. Just like this. And then the other one would go underneath. Oh, this is starting to look cool. I like it. Okay, now my gold coins, I'm going to click on the gold, and these turn now. Every time I click on one on the left, I take it over here and I click on the point where I want it to be on my game board. Okay, I just moved my finger right over it. The purple blocks, I'm going to make this troll guy, because that's one of my enemies. He's going to be up there just like that. Alright, this is starting to look good. I'm going to go back here on the left, two boards, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to add this little wooden sign. I put that right where my white block is. Okay? Now there's a couple other things that we're going to configure, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. I'm going to stop this right now.